Hi everyone, today we'll review how to organize the header like on the Broad demo. In this demo store, the header section features the logo, text menu, contact information, card icon, and an icon menu with the search bar positioned below. To set up a similar header, let's go to the theme editor and operate the header accordingly using the theme settings. Start by changing the header type in theme settings layout using the in one line logo and menu left option in the corresponding drop-down. Of course, you can select any header type you wish. Next, set the contacts block in the header section to display contact information. We won't cover the configuration of each element within the header section in this video, as you can learn how to build the header by watching the related videos provided in the description. Instead, we'll focus on creating the mega menu for the pop-up menu as in the demo. To display the pop-up menu, navigate to the header section and assign a menu to the icons menu. Here you can also change the menu type to pop-up. You'll then be able to see how the menu appears with the selected type. The three-level menu can be shown by creating a menu with the nested menu items in your admin. This is an example of a three-level menu. If you need to customize the mega menu, utilize the pop-up menu block in the header section. Press the Add Block button and choose the block from the list. To link the block with the corresponding top menu item, type its name such as furniture. In this block you can find the featured promotion, which allows you to display a banner on the right side of the mega menu pop-up. Click the Select Image button to open the library and choose the desired image. Additionally, select a link to redirect visitors to another page when the image is clicked. Then enter a title and description to overlay the banner and adjust the colors if necessary. If you review a featured promotion appearance in the pop-up, you can notice that the image is cut off on the sides. To fix this, go back to the header section, scroll down to the pop-up menu subsection and check the Enable Full Width box. Now the mega menu will display at the full width of the header. Moreover, the height of the open pop-up can be adjusted on the provided scale, modifying the proportions to suit your needs. By default, the height is set to fit the top menu items. The Align to button option places the menu pop-up below the Categories button. By deactivating the option, the pop-up will overlay the Categories button when opened. These are all settings in the header section related to the pop-up, so let's return to the pop-up menu block. In this block you can find additional settings to display popular categories or products. Activate the option in the current subsection to display an extra link above all other navigation items. Change the link title in the Populars field. This item uses the same link as the top menu item. However, you can set a different link using the source selector. Operate the item settings to place the content to the right of the links. Here you should select an image for the content to appear and set a link for the title if needed. Fill in the text fields with the title and paragraph. Proceed by adding more items, as the block provides the settings for up to 20 items. The image position of the added items can be changed to top, center, or bottom. This option can be adjusted after adding items to see the difference in settings. The described block can be edited several times and edited to display different mega menus per top menu item. Customize the next menu items using the desired settings from the block indicated earlier. Additionally, ensure that the parent link for which the mega menu is being configured contains at least second-level items. To achieve the same header layout as in the demo, you can optionally set up the All Categories button for the search bar. If you need this feature in your store, follow next steps. Go to Theme Settings and open the Search Input section. Enable the search bar if it's currently disabled and configure it according to your preferences. The All Categories button will be set to the left of the search bar if you tick the Enable Categories Select option. Here it is. The list of filters will be added to the pop-up once they are specified in the filters input field. Separate each item with a comma. Also, decide the category to which the filter will be applied by hitting either the product type or vendor. This information should be added to the corresponding fields in your admin for each product that needs filtering by categories. As an example, this way only products that meet the selected category and keyword will be displayed in the search results. This is how the category filter might work in a store. For instance, if you set the vendor option and add the related list of vendors, only products from the chosen vendor that match the keyword will appear in the search results. The same effect can be achieved by selecting the product type option and specifying the list of product types. These are all settings needed to achieve the same header layout as in the demo. Thank you for watching and best of luck with your store configurations.